Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite's error code ISEO task lock win 5. This usually appears when you try to update Fortnite and Epic Games, and this error appears. So basically in this video, I'll show you how to fix them step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, a simple restart can fix any temporary glitches that might be on your game or release locked files. So go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and restart your PC and see if the problem still persists. And if the problem still persists, the step 2 is running the Epic Game Launcher as an administrator. To do that, just go ahead and make sure Epic Games is basically exit out entirely, even on a trade right over here. Right click exit on Epic Games and you're on your task manager. Anything related to Epic Games, just go ahead and add task right over here. Once you made sure Epic Games is not running currently, right click on Epic Games, run as administrator, and the game should be fixed without the error. And if the problem still persists, no worries. The next step is what I'd recommend is closing unnecessary background apps, as if you have Discord overlays on for Epic Games or even Fortnite currently on, make sure to close that out. And if the problem still persists, verifying Fortnite game files on Epic Games is the best way how to do it. Basically, it fixes any corrupted files that might be on the game that causes the error. To do that, click on the three buttons right here, and this should pop up right over here. Go to library and verify game files. Go ahead and do that, and the process will be as so. The next thing is by clearing Epic Games Launcher cache. To do that, just go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus R, type in percentage local update a percentage. Click on OK, and this file will pop up. Go to Epic Games Launcher, go to saved, and delete the cache folder. As you can see, this is the cache folder. So go ahead and delete that right over here. Once deleted, relaunch your Epic Games, and it should rebuild the cache for you without doing anything. So basically, it is automatic. So the next thing is checking file and folder permissions. Go to your Fortnite installation folder, right click properties, security, and make sure you have full control. To do that, just go ahead and go to your Epic Games once more, click on the three dots, and you should have an option that says manage, browse local files, and you should find the Fortnite installation folder. Next is disabling antivirus temporarily. To do that, just go ahead and type in on your start menu right over here, antivirus, threat and protection, manage settings, and turn this off real quick. So basically the thing that you need to turn off is this one, and tamper protection. That's basically it, those two. Once you disable it, go ahead, restart your PC, relaunch the game, and it should be fixed. Now we have our last few steps to do this. So if you have any disks that are not, or just basically go ahead and check your disk, make sure you still have 20 to 30 gig of free space on your drive. Sometimes when running the game or even running Epic Games, you need to get free disk space, as basically the game needs loading time, or if you have an HDD to SSD, it causes the disk or the memory to be used for your SSD. So basically reset Epic Games Launcher settings as well. Basically this will be the same step as earlier. Go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus R, local update a percentage. Go to your Epic Games once more, Epic Games Launcher. As you can see, let me go ahead and move it to the side, click on save, config, right over here, and reset the folder link. So basically right over here, delete this everything, as once more, it will automatically rebuild everything for you if you're missing a file. So if everything does not work, the last thing or the last solution is reinstalling Epic Games entirely. Basically, you don't really have to uninstall Fortnite. You just have to uninstall Epic Games as a whole. So basically, add or remove on your start menu. Click right over here, Epic Games. Uninstall this and uninstall the services as well. So basically that's it, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.